on, folks. Alright, right now I'm going to paint this. Literally, I'm going to put a prime on it. So I'm going to paint it. I want to protect the wood. Now, this is an old brush. Usually when you get an old brush, you want to make sure that you get have some life to it. And most people don't know, when you have it like this, with all the fizz in it, you wanna definitely clean that up. So what you do is try to clip it. That's right, this might seem a little funny, like a hairdresser, but what you're doing is you clipping that off. So when you brush, your strokes will be one point. So you can get a good lip. So clip this, the ends, keep it like that. A lot of people don't know this. You just grab the brush and pick it up and use it, but you want your brush to be clean. That will help you with the way you painting and the strokes. Unless you buy a new brush, you need to do this with an old brush. Just clip it. Make sure you clip the ends. Just like clean it up a little bit. Like shaving somebody's head. So like that, when you brush, you will not be flaking. You'll have a good smooth brush. Yeah? Get it off. Make sure, brush it down. Alright. What I want to do is making sure all the dust off of this. There we go. Pink. Get that off. The pink in the hole. Make sure you get off all the dust, excess dust. Now I already dust this down, but because it's inside. And of course, when you paint, you don't want the paint to drop on the floor. So see if you can find some kind of old piece of something like that. You put that on the floor. Right? That's what you're doing. And then go over here. That's your brush. Like that. Again, you want good strokes. Yep. There you go. Now I'm putting a water base paint on this wood. This is already treated wood, so you don't need too much of this stuff. You don't have to put oil paint on it. I want to give it an old-fashioned look. So let's put a nice good coat over it. The top and the back and the bottom. So as you paint, you don't want to be coming back and forth. Don't just paint the top. So paint one area and move as you go, straight around. That'll be best for you to do. Get nice clean stroke.